I remember in the first video, I will show you how to fill this table by just simply writing reference designators manually. Like I'm just writing here in the column each reference designator. But now I will show you another way how to get a list from which we could select the reference designator. For this, we need an ECAD file. I'm reading an ECAD file, and here on the ECAD file, we got the list of the reference designators which are listed in the ECAD file. When I update, I don't see here any because they are not, none of them is assigned yet. For assigning, we will again open up our table, which we know from the first video. But the difference is now I would like to, just not one by one write it manually, but I just open, the list from the ECAD interface and use it simply as a reference. Just click on the click on the row and select one from the existing ECAD reference designators. The benefit is you don't have to type, and also the benefit is exactly that you are not making any mistakes by typing the reference designators. They may be rather difficult to write, but this is much easier for you. Just go select any row and look at the part and go to the list, and the list is, as you see, getting shorter each time you are assigning one. Okay, so we will just go through the list and assign each of them. Okay, from the list, and once the list is finished, it will automatically close. So this one, I think, is this one, and the last one is this one. So that's fine. So now that's all we have assigned. Let me check. Okay, I'm sorry, we'll say all parts because the parts are not in the harness. So as you see now, they are all assigned parts are here appearing. So I've used the list to create reference designators. But as I said, the list is coming from ECAD. It means that there should be an ECAD interface file, and you should read the interface file, ECAD interface file, and all the missing reference designators will be listed on the left hand side. And in this case, you can just click on the bottom show list, and the reference designators from the ECAD file will be ready in a list for you to use.